Okay, so I mentioned a bit about aligning your actions with the goal of the universe. Now, if people are mostly aware that our known physical universe is expanding. It started expanding from the time of a Big Bang, and it is still expanding. So the universe also wants you to expand the matrices, the matrix that I just showed you, the matrix with where the knowledge resides. The universe wants you to expand those matrix blocks. So what universe is doing in the physical world, it wants you to do that in the matrix multiverse. So how to expand? By exploring and discovering and seeking new things, and by incremental digging, just as in mining. Because matrix is made of, or the knowledge resides in matrix, that is how by incremental knowledge mining, you keep expanding the matrix. So the action aligned with expanding universe or expanding matrices is greater than first action. Then I think I touched upon this earlier. Dharma in conflict with an aligned action aligned with expanding universe uh, is not dharma. So you may have your own concept of dharma, which you loosely associate with your role and responsibility, but unless it is aligned with what universe wants, it will get defeated. So align your dharma to what universe wants. Universe is expanding. Universe wants you to keep on expanding the matrix. So expand or perish. And the thing about expansion is, or any kind of expansion is, unless you are at the forefront, at the very end spectrum of the expansion, you cannot expand it further. Unless you are at the very end, at the very bottom of the coal mine or gold mine, you cannot dig further to make the or to expand the coal mine. Similarly, in matrix, to be able to expand, you will have to be at the forefront of the expanding spectrum. So when you are a kid, when you are going to school, your first objective is to reach up to the forefront of the matrix, whatever matrix it is sport, it is hobby, it is any subject, chemistry, math, whatever. So the forefront of the expanding spectrum is what humanity currently knows, the known of the humanity, or the known unknown questions that need to be explored can quickly take you to the forefront of the expanding spectrum. Okay.